The PVC hollow door panel production line ordered by our customer is currently undergoing trial runs. Let's take a look together. The PVC hollow door panel production line uses a 65-130 seconds or 80-156 conical twin screw extruder with a maximum extrusion output of 300 to 400 kilograms per hour. This production line uses components from leading brands such as Siemens, Schneider Electric, Armoren, and Nidec. Equipped with a permanent magnet motor, it can reduce overall machine energy consumption by 18 to 25% at the same output. The 80-156 conical twin screw extruder can also produce WPC hollow door panels by adjusting the raw material formulation. Ando Group is a company with many years of experience integrating the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of plastic machinery. We offer a wide variety of plastic extruders, including profiles, panels, wood plastic composites, edge banding, pipes, and PS extruders. We also provide related auxiliary equipment, such as plastic recycling equipment, high-efficiency pulverizers, high-speed mixers, and surface treatment equipment. From A to Z, we offer comprehensive solutions, including factory layout planning, machine supply and installation, equipment commissioning, and personnel training. Anda is your reliable partner. Contact us now.